Hello, so ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take all what resonates for those of you na gusto magpapok ng personal reading. Doon na lang po sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Or dun sa aking friend, si Jing Tarot Reader. Pwede rin naman kayo sa kanya mag-inquire. Anyway, this is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. A Four of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, pwede may mga ipag-i-struggle kang nafe-feel na may kinalaman sa money, maybe financially nagkakaroon ka ng problems or hindi nagiging sapat kung ano yung growth mo, no? Parang hindi ganun, nagiging ganun yung growth ng money mo or finances mo. And you're being realistic ngayon when it comes to yourself and surroundings. Like, kumbaga parang sa'yo, ang hirap na isipin na okay ka kasi there are times na alam mo na may problem regarding your finances, and I feel like your spirit guides are there. Nararamdaman ko yung feeling nila and they see your problems. They see your kalungkutan or whatever is happening to you. Hindi sila nawawala. They're guiding you. It's just that you have to be more open. Kasi pwedeng may mga signs or symbol na pinapakita sa'yo or pinaparinig sa'yo but then you're not listening. Alam mo kasi, yung spirit guides natin, they are there but you have to be more open sa kanila. Okay, I feel like a lot of a lot of you is open naman pagdating with your spirit guides, but then eto, for example, one of the sign na pinapakita ni spirit guides is yung ear ringing, if you're familiar doon. Ito yung parang may matinis na frequency kang maririnig sa tenga mo. Either one of your ears or both of your ears makakarinig nun. Pahapyaw-hapyaw lang guys. Hindi naman malakas or hindi naman sobrang to the point na masakit na sa tenga or what. Kasi if this ear ringing is bothering you na, you should go check a doctor kasi pwede siyang medical problem or kailangan ng pa-check up or pagtingin ng doktor. Okay? Kasi this is also a sign of vertigo, high blood or what, and other problems sa katawan. But for a lot of you, spiritual message yun. It's coming from your spirit guides. And then pwedeng sinasabi sa'yo ng spirit guides mo during tignan mo yung situation. Ano yung ginagawa mo, ano yung dapat mong gagawin, ano yung naiisipan mo, and then biglang si spirit guides or biglang maririnig mo yon. So there's something na message doon. It's just, kailangan mo siyang i-figure out kung ano yung pinaka sinasabi sa'yo kasi pwedeng hindi mo siya masyadong pinapansin or yun yung way nila to get your attention. So, pwede may mga messages sa'yo. For example, ito, nakita mo tong taong to, then you heard this ear ringing. Pwedeng message sa'yo yun na you have to talk to this person kasi siya yung makakatulong sa'yo, etc. So, anyway, person na kakonect mo, the star is here. This is Aquarius energy and the Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Cups. Puwedeng hindi ka nakikita or wala kayong connection or what, kasi it feels like yung person na 'to is someone, I can see Aquarius energies, it could be a friend, yung iba walang connection na may kinalaman sa love, this could be a friend, or the Five of Swords. Puwedeng nawala na siya sa buhay mo. Three of Pentacles. I don't know kung may galit ka dito sa person na 'to or what. Yung iba may galit, yung iba wala naman. Yeah, this could be a friend. The Knight of Cups, it feels like you like the person, gusto mo siya. Pero yung iba, if there's a friendly energy, may friendly energy kasi wala naman love doon. Gusto mo siya, maybe gusto mo magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyong dalawa, yeah, friend or best friend energy. Strength card, feeling nito person na to is at peace or at home sa'yo. Mm. Gusto mong magkaroon ng new beginning or like may kinalaman sa usaping financial and you feel like itong person na 'to ay makakatulong sa'yo. Pero may nagiging hadlang. Like someone is really watching your every move. May nakamasid sa'yo regarding sa mga movement na gagawin mo. And that is one of the problem kung bakit hindi ka makapag-take ng actions dito sa person na to. Kahit nandun yung kagustuhan mo na mag-offer ng something sa kanya, like maybe new beginning. In the near future, what do we have here in the near future sa inyong dalawa? The Empress. Oh, you really do like the person. The Five of Cups and the Page of Swords. Gusto mo siya. I feel like physically attracted ka dito sa taong ito. And in the future, the more na tumatas yung pagkagusto mo dito sa person na to or yung, the more na ina-admire mo siya, maybe physically, and yun nakikita mo lalo yung mga bagay na kulang sa'yo, the more na nakikita mo yung mga magagandang bagay sa kanya. The King of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups. I'm feeling like you're dealing with the whole person. Parang feeling niya wala nang kulang sa kanya, kompleto na siya, and yeah, the King and Queen is here. Six of Cups. This could be a person in the past. May teenager energy dito or maybe childhood energy, childhood friend, or kung kilala mo na siya, bata pa lang kayo or teenager pa lang kayo. So, okay lang kahit hindi, guys. Ten of Pentacles, I can see a lot of money dito sa person na to na paparating, and pwedeng nandyan na nga eh. Isa pa ito sa dahilan kung bakit the more nga na nakikita mo na itong person na to ay nagiging mas better, and you feel like you're dealing with your karma, with your shadow side. Three of Cups, Six of Swords. You feel like yung person na to is naka-move on na or nagtatry na mag-move on sa'yo, and you really do love the person. The Ace of Cups is here. Ace of Swords. Mahal mo siya. Lagi mo siya iniisip. Feeling mo naka-move on na siya. Nakakita tayo ng loyalty dito sa person na 'to, like I can see a dog here. So, ibig sabihin, literal na dog, yung dog hindi kasi yan nakakalimot, especially pag naamoy niya, 'di ba? Yung kanyang amo, sabihin na natin ganun. And with regards to this person, I'm feeling like yung dog energy. Maybe dog person siya or what, pero okay lang kahit hindi. So, yun na nga, nandun yung kahit matagal ka nang mawala, pag bumalik ka, kilala ka pa rin niya, parang wala pa rin nagbago sa kung ano yung pagtingin niya sa'yo. I feel like for now, you need to find yourself first. Parang kailangan mo hanapin mo muna yung sarili mo. And hindi siya yung makakatulong para mahanap mo yung sarili mo for now. Okay? So, kahit feeling mo nakalimutan ka na niya, hindi gano'n yun. I feel like anytime na bumalik ka, ganun at ganun pa rin yung pakikitungo or pagtingin na meron siya sa'yo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.